Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in to Post Office credit card online. Post Office credit card gives you several benefits like it is a way to make a balance transfer and can help you save money and pay your balance off sooner because of the lower interest rate. So if you want to log into Post Office credit card online, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, you need to open any browser of your choice. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.postoffice.co.uk. Press enter. You can see here you're logged into the official website of Post Office. So if you want to log into your account, it's very simple. Look at the top right corner and you can see login option over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now these kinds of options will open up under the banking. You can see credit cards. All you have to do is click on credit cards. Now you'll be redirected to this page. Here you have to enter your username and your password. Simply click on the username box and enter your username. Your username can also be your email address. Now enter your password. Now after entering your username and correct password, all you have to do is click on sign in and you'll be logged into the Post Office credit card online. So that is how you log into Post Office credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.